Welcome back to Joy's Enjoyable Characters. Now, I want to tell you some good news because guess what? You are almost halfway through our 66 characters. Yay! So now let's do a quick recap of what you now already know. Starting with 出口入人行下次见中心大小一二三四五六七八九十日天周月年台湾北南东西门 Okay, so that's all of our... Oh, wait. We forgot Dao. I'm so sorry. I'll remember you next time, okay? Now, back to our characters. Today we are going to learn about new characters, which we can often see on parking signs. As you can see, on the sign over here, there's a character, which means park. 停 停 park. It also has another meaning, which means stop when it is on stop signs, as you can see over here. Okay, so back to the parking sign. We can see numbers below. It indicates the time restriction of when you can park and when you cannot. For example, these two characters, 上午 means AM. 上午. The first character, 上 means up. The second one, 午 looks a lot like a familiar character that you should know now, right? It looks like 年, a simplified 年, which means year. And if you don't know this character, then shame on you, you missed an episode. Okay, 上午, before noon. AM, 上午. The next two characters, 下午, which you may have guessed already, means afternoon. The first character, 下, looks a bit like the opposite of 上. It means down. 午, as you already know now, means noon. Afternoon. 下午. Well, that's all for this episode. Thank you for watching Joy's Enjoyable Characters. I hope you had fun. 下次见. See you next time.